Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. I'm doing a voiceover today because it's really nice outside and I can't really hear anything. Today I have a really cool Arabic calligraphy tutorial for you, and I'm going to be using a double pencil hack to create some beautiful designs. First, I'm going to write the name Muhammad in Arabic calligraphy using the double pencil technique. So, this technique involves using two pencils at the same time to create symmetrical and precise strokes. It's a little tricky at the first, but once you get the hang of it, the results are amazing. For the same hack, you can also use two color pens for beautiful calligraphy, like double pencil technique. Next, I'll be writing the word Bismillah, which means in the name of Allah. This phrase is often used at the beginning of various activities in the Islamic culture, and it holds a lot of significance. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did try it, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your work. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and inshallah, see you all next time.